In this scenario, we have the expression shown and we will need to simplify to its simplest form. So first we write the numerator and denominator. So we have 8x to the power 4 minus 4x cubed plus 6x divided by 2x. So first we can break down the terms to each to be divided by the denominator. So that will be 8x to the power 4 over 2x minus 4x cubed over 2x plus 6x over 2x. So to simplify this expression, we would have in this scenario the 8 divided by 2, so that would give us 4, and we have 4x to the power of 4 minus 1, and we have minus 4 divided by 2, that will give us 2, x to the power 3 minus 1, plus the 6 divided by 2, so that would give us 3, and the x is taken away, so that we will end up 3x to the power 1 take away from 1. So to simplify this expression further, we would have 4x to the power 3 minus 2x squared plus 3, and this will be our answer for this expression. In this example, we are asked to simplify this expression to its simplest form. So we have 9x squared minus 12x cubed minus 3x divided by 3x. So first we divide the terms to be separated into each one of them to be divided by the denominator, the common denominator. So that will be 9x squared divided by 3x minus 12x cubed divided by 3x minus 3x over 3x. So to simplify this expression further, we have the 9 divided by 3, so that will give us 3, and we have x to the power of 2 take away 1. As we move the x up, the power will be from positive 1 to negative 1. And then we have the minus 12 divided by 3, that will give us 4, and the x, when it moves up, becomes a negative 1, so that will give us x to the power of 3 minus 1, minus the 3x divided by 3x. They will just disappear, so that will give us minus 1. Now to simplify this expression further, that would give us 3x minus 4x squared minus 1, and this will be our answer for simplifying this expression. In this example, we have the expression shown and we are asked to simplify it to its simplest form. So first we write 7x to the power 3 minus x to the power 4 minus 2 all divided by 5x. So first we divide each term by the common denominator, which is 7x to the power 3 divided by 5x minus x to the power 4 divided by 5x minus 2 divided by 5x. Now in this scenario, we will just move the x. If it's possible, we can simplify the values, but we can also move the x terms up, so that will change the powers to a negative power in this scenario. So that will give us 7 over 5 x to the power of 3 minus 1 minus 5th x to the power 4 minus 1 minus 2/5 x to the power of minus 1, or it can remain as it is. Now we simplify the expression further, so that will give us 7 over 5x to the power 2 minus 5th x to the power 3 minus 2/5 x to the power of minus 1. So this will be the simplified version of the answer, or we can also write it as 7 over 5x squared minus 1/5 x cubed minus 2 over 5x. So this will be also another representation of the final answer. In this example, we are asked to simplify the expression shown. So first we will write the expression as minus 4x squared plus 6x to the power 4 minus 2x divided by minus 2x. So first we'll try to separate the terms by dividing them by the common denominator. So that will be minus 4x squared divided by minus 2x plus 6x to the power 4 divided by minus 2x, and then we have minus 2x divided by minus 2x. So in this scenario we would have the denominators being separated, so what we would have, that negative will disappear from the first term, so that will give us 4 divided by 2, so that will give us 2x, 2 take away 1, and that will give us also minus 6 divided by 2, that would give us 3 x to the power 4 take away 1, and we have also minus 2, so that will give us plus, and they will disappear, so that would give us the 2x disappears with the 2x, and that will give us plus 1. Now what we will do next is simplify the expression further, so that will give us 2x to the power of 1 minus 3x to the power 3 plus 1, and this will be the simplified version of the expression. In this example we have the expression shown, so we can simplify it by first writing the numerator and denominator and then try to find an approach to simplify. So we have minus x to the power 8 plus 9x to the power 4 minus 4x cubed plus 6, all divided by minus 2x. So we can break down each of the terms to be divided on the common denominator. So the way we can do that by having minus x to the power 8 divided by minus 2x plus 9x to the power 4 divided by minus 2x minus 4x to the power 3 divided by minus 2x plus 6 divided by minus 2x. So we can do this by simplifying the expression further. For the first term, the negatives from the numerator and denominator will disappear, so we will still end up with half x 8, and we will take one, we move the x from the denominator up, so that becomes minus 1 plus, so we have a negative at the denominator, so that means the sign will change, so it becomes minus 9 over 2 x to the power 4, which is at the top. We move the x from the denominator, so it becomes a minus 1, and here we have minus and a minus 2 at the denominator, so that makes it a positive. 4 divided by 2, that would give us 2 x to the power 3, and we take away 1 from it, and then we also have another negative in the denominator here, and we have 6 divided by 2, so that would give us minus 3 over x. We can simplify the expression further by having 1 over 2 x to the power 7 minus 9 over 2 x to the power 3 plus 2 x to the power 2 minus 3 over x. So this will be the simplified version of the answer. Also you can rewrite it in such a way that the last term is represented in terms of power, so that can be written in the form of half x to the power 7 minus 9 over 2 x to the power 3 plus 2x to the power 2 minus 3x to the power of minus 1. So that's another representation of the final answer. In this example we have the expression shown, and we are asked to simplify to its simplest form. So we have j to be 9x to the power 9 minus 6x to the power 6 plus 4x to the power 4 minus 2, all divided over common denominator, which is minus 3x. So first we simplify by dividing each term by its common denominator, so that will give us minus 9x to the power 9 over minus 3x minus 6x to the power 6 divided by minus 3x plus 4x to the power 4 divided by minus 3x minus 2 divided by minus 3x. To simplify the expression further, so the negatives will disappear. 9 divided by 3, that would give us 3, and we will have x9 take away 1. As we move the x from the denominator up, that becomes a negative power, and the negatives for the second term will disappear, so that becomes a positive, and 6 divided by 3, that will give us 2 at the top, and x will be 6 to the power of minus 1. And we have a positive and negative, so the negative will take the power here, and we have 4 over 3. X to the power of 4 takes away 1 as we move the denominator up, and we also have the negative and negative here, so that becomes a positive 2/3. So we will keep the x in the denominator, so that will be 2 over 3x. Now we try to simplify the expression further, so that will give us 3x to the power 8 plus 2x to the power 5 minus 4 over 3x to the power 3 plus 2 over 3x, and this will be our simplified version of the answer. In this example, we are asked to simplify the expressions shown. So first we will look at part A. So we have x plus 3 and x minus 2 all divided by x minus 2. So in this scenario, we have a common brackets in the numerator and denominator, which they can disappear. So that will give us the answer being x plus 3 as the final answer for this expression. For part B, we have a similar scenario. So we have x plus 4 multiplied by 3x minus 1 in the numerator, and we also have 3x minus 1 at the denominator, so these can disappear, and the final answer we would have x plus 4, and this will be our answer here and answer here. Now we look at part C. So we have x plus 3 squared divided by x plus 3. So the x plus 3 squared, it can be broken down to by completing the square, so that will be x plus 3 and x minus 3, and they are both divided by x, and both actually x plus 3 and x plus 3 in this scenario. So in this scenario, and we also have x plus 3 at the denominator, so one of them will disappear, and we will end up as the final answer being x plus 3 for this expression.